Hello and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have a tutorial for a beautiful botanical computer case featuring the prettiest cathedral windows. All it takes is a bit of patience and some accurate cutting and sewing to perfect your cathedral windows. In blooming prints from Botanist by Katarina Roccella, this project is sure to please. Follow along as we show you how to make this fabulous and functional padded case. Wander through enchanted woodlands and blossoming meadows inspired by the beauty of nature. Revel in lush, textured shades of spruce green, blushing pinks, misty grays, and rich umbers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AGF channel for more crafty sewing content. Here's what you'll need to get started. Fabric A, Ethereal Sky Dim. Fabric B, Crossing Paths Rose. Fabric C, Blossoming Daphne. Templates. High Loft Batting. Pins. Scissors. A ruler and rotary cutter. A marking tool. And Velcro. Full instructions are available for the computer and iPad case pattern, linked below in the description. Start by laying out your 3-inch squares from fabric B. Fold them corner to corner and press. Let's start with block 1. Take one folded square from fabric B and place it in the bottom right corner of one 3-inch square from fabric A. Make a total of 14, paying attention to the direction. Block 2. Take one folded square from fabric B and place it in the bottom left corner of one 3-inch square from fabric A. Make a total of 14 block 2. Block 3. We're going to sew blocks 1 and 2 together for a total of 14 blocks. Block 4. Sew 2 block 3s together. This will be block 4. You'll need a total of 7 block 4s. Now it's on to the cathedral windows. Place one 3-inch square from fabric C on point at the center of block 4. Take the folded edge side of fabric B and fold toward fabric C. Top stitch with a contrasting thread and repeat the same step on the other 3 sides. Repeat the previous steps with all block 4s. You should now have a total of 7 block 4s. Sew 3 block 4s together for the front and 4 block 4s together for the back. Now we're going to sew one 15.5 inch by 4 inch rectangle on each side of the 3 block structure. This will be the front of the computer sleeve. Now we're going to sew one 20.5 inch by 4 inch rectangle on each side of the previously sewn 4 block structure. That will form the back of the computer case. Use the template to trim the top of the 4 block structure. Place batting on the back of the block and quilt as desired. We used high loft batting to add some cushioning and protect the computer. Now take your 10.5 by 20.5 inch block and your 10.5 and 14.5 inch blocks and place them right sides facing together and sew on the sides and bottom. Turn right side out. Now take your floral fabric from fabric C and place them right sides together and sew together, but leave a 3 to 4 inch opening at the bottom. Now you're going to take your main structure with the batting and insert it inside the lining of fabric C. Sew the 2 pieces together and clip your corners. Turn right side out through the opening left at the bottom of the lining and close that by hand or with an edge stitch. Top stitch around the perimeter of the edge. Now take 2 pieces of Velcro and sew to your case to form your closure. And your computer or iPad case is complete. We hope you enjoyed this quick and fun tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing!